search engine marketing, social media advertising, social media marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, web analytics. Let me guess, you all must be wondering what all these are. Then let's clear your doubt right away. Hi everyone, it's Sushant Arora, the CEO and founder of In-Class Learning, and I welcome each and every one of you lovely people to the second lesson of this free digital marketing course. In the first lesson, we discussed a lot of important questions including what is digital marketing, what is its job scope in India, the salary that you can expect as a fresher digital marketer, and also how to earn money through digital marketing apart from doing a job. Now in this second lesson, I am going to walk you through the modules that make up digital marketing. Now before I start, I would like to request you all to subscribe to the channel and as well as hit the bell icon so that you don't miss all the super valuable videos that would be coming your way as a part of this course. Now let's jump right in. So there are 7 main modules that make up digital marketing. Number 1, search engine marketing. Number 2, social media marketing. Number 3, social media advertising. Number 4, search engine optimization. Number 5, content marketing. Number 6, email marketing. And number 7, web analytics. Now we're going to discuss about each one of them starting from search engine marketing in a detailed manner. Coming on to the first module, which is search engine marketing. Now the first question, what is search engine marketing? SEM is a form of internet marketing in which you promote a website on search engines like Google, Yahoo to rank on the top of search engine result pages through paid advertising. In simple words, you can say the process of gaining website traffic by showing ads on search engines like Google, Yahoo, etc. when a user searches for some keywords related to your business is search engine marketing. Now I'm going to show you how exactly search engine marketing looks like. Let's say I search for online bags. You see these ads on the right hand side? This is a part of SEM, search engine marketing. These websites are paying money to Google to rank higher up in the result pages so they could drive more number of people to their website and make more sales. Makes sense? The most important advantage of SEM is that you can rank your website on a search engine even when it is a fairly new one. Right? So you can see on the right hand side it's written ads online bags. So Google is going to show ads to all the users who search for online bags because certain websites are paying money to Google to rank their website higher whenever somebody is searching for online bags on Google. Makes sense? Now let's talk about the most common search engines and their advertising platforms. There are 3 search engines that have taken over the market and which are ruling currently: Google, Yahoo and Bing. Google has Google Ads, which was formerly known as Google AdWords. Yahoo has Yahoo Search Ads and Bing has Bing Ads. Now let's look at the search engine's market share as of January 2021. Google has been dominating the scenario of search engine market share right from the introduction of Google search back in 1997. So whenever we are talking about search engine marketing, it has got to do one or the other thing with Google. Moving on to social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales and drive website traffic. In other words, you can say marketing or promoting your products or services on social media platforms and showing the audience how they can benefit from your products or services is called as social media marketing. Now let's see some staggering statistics about social media marketing. As of Q1 2020, 420 billion people are active on social media. That's a huge number. Each person spends an average of 2 hours and 25 minutes on social networks and messaging. 1.3 million new users join social media every single day in 2020. So it's definitely not a good idea for a business to ignore the power of social media, and that's why social media marketing becomes extremely very important. Now let's look at the most popular social media marketing platforms of 2021. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter. Now let's talk about social media advertising. Social media advertising is when a business markets its products or services on social media platforms, but by using paid ads. In other words, you serve advertisements to users on social media platforms to increase website traffic or make sales. Now you must have observed that when you are going through your Facebook or Instagram feed, there appears to be some post marked as sponsored. Very much like what I'm going to just show you. On Facebook, you must have seen these kind of sponsored posts, right? And on Instagram, you must have seen these kind of sponsored posts. These are the kind of ads which are shown to the social media users. Now it is worth mentioning that social media advertising is a part of social media marketing. Why? Because in social media advertising also a business is marketing and promoting its products or services on social media platforms. But the only difference between the two is that in social media marketing, a business markets its offerings organically. That means without using ads, by posting content in the form of pictures, videos, etc. to inspire people to take profitable actions. But in social media advertising, a business promotes its products or services by paid ads. That means by paying that platform some money to reach more and more number of people on that platform. So when a business promotes its offerings on social media platforms by posting helpful and relevant content, it falls under social media marketing. And when you are using ads to do the same, it falls under social media advertising. Now people get confused between social media advertising and search engine marketing because both of them are quite similar to each other. As you are using ads to increase your website traffic, increase sales or increase awareness about your business in the local audience by showing ads to the people, right? But the only difference is that in social media advertising, you're serving ads to the users on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Unlike search engine marketing, where you are serving ads to the people on search engines based upon their search terms. Now let's walk you through some statistics about social media advertising. 27% of internet users say that they find new products and brands through paid social ads. 928.5 million people can be reached by ads on Instagram. That's a huge number. And we are talking about only one social media platform over here, that is Instagram. And there are multiple and several such social media platforms out there with the help of which you can reach a whole lot of audience. 92% of Instagram users say that they have followed a brand, clicked on their website, or made a purchase after seeing a product or service on the platform. So social media advertising is definitely the way to go forward if you want to make an impact on the mind of people, because a lot of people are there on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And that's where the opportunity is, because of the large number of people using social media platforms nowadays. They're using Facebook, they're using Instagram, they're using LinkedIn. And if somebody, be it an individual or a business, can utilize these social media platforms in the right manner, you can definitely make sure that you are reaching out to the right audience. Now let's talk about search engine optimization. SEO is a process of improving your website to increase its chances of appearing on the top of search engine result pages, but organically. That means without the usage of paid ads. In simple words, you optimize your content and website, etc. so it ranks on the top of search engine result pages without using paid ads. Now I'm going to show you how exactly search engine optimization works like. Let's say I search for online bags. Now there may be thousands of websites selling bags online, but you can see these are the websites showing up on the top of Google search results. Myntra.com, Ajio.com, Flipkart.com, Shopperstop.com, etc. etc. This is what SEO looks like. These websites are not paying money to Google to rank higher up in the result pages, which was the case in search engine marketing. Rather, they have optimized their website and content in such a way that Google is ranking them above all the rest. So that would mean all the traffic that these websites are getting is free of cost. And every sale they make with the help of this is going to be profit for them. Right? But make no mistake, SEO is much more than only optimizing your website. And we are going to discuss that in the later stages of this course. Now let's talk about the types of SEO. There are three types of SEO: on-page SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO. We are going to discuss in depth what these three types mean in the SEO part of this course, so don't worry. Now let's talk about content marketing. Content marketing is a marketing approach in which you create free content based upon the needs, pain points, and problems of your target audience and distribute that content on the right platforms with the aim of attracting new clients and inspire them to take profitable actions. Now, what's a profitable action? A profitable action is anything that benefits your business. It could be getting more people to enroll in your paid coaching session, purchase your products or services, etc. And this might vary. The definition of a profitable action might vary based upon the kind of business you are into. Blogs, free courses, Instagram posts, webinars, ebooks, and any kind of content made freely available to the target audience fall under content marketing. So for example, we post a lot of valuable content on Instagram based upon the needs of our target audience with the purpose of getting people to enroll in our paid digital marketing course. So we are making the people realize what benefits they can have if they opt in for the paid course, right? By sharing super valuable free content. So that is what content marketing is all about. You're trying to inspire them to commit a profitable action by giving them something super valuable. Now content marketing becomes even more important when you have started a new business and you want to reach out to people, and the best way to do that and make people trust you and your offerings is by establishing your authority. And that happens when you share valuable content with them, because that is what is going to help them in making up their mind that whether or not you are someone they want to purchase a product or service from. Now let's talk about email marketing. Email marketing is a marketing approach in which you use email as a medium to increase sales by promoting your products or services. And not only that, but also to connect with your audience and develop good relationships with your prospective and existing clients. Now I use the term prospective clients, which means the people who are not your clients yet, but can become your clients in the future. Now people might think that email marketing is dead. I've heard it a lot of times, but let me assure you that that is not the truth. Let's walk you through certain statistics about email marketing. In 2019, global email users accounted to 3.9 billion, and this figure is expected to grow to 4.3 billion users by 2023, which is half the world's population. Now that's something huge. For every $1 you spend on email marketing, you can expect an average return of $42. That's a huge ROI. As many as 87% of marketers use email marketing to distribute their content. You still think email marketing is dead? Think again. Coming on to the last and one of the most important modules of digital marketing, web analytics. Web analytics is the collection and analysis of data about the visitors to your website. That means the people who are visiting your website, with an aim of analyzing the behavior of people while they are surfing your website and then using it to understand the impact of your marketing campaigns on conversion rates. Now it can be used to estimate how traffic to a website changes after you launch a new advertising campaign. Web analytics provides a lot of useful information, including but not limited to the number of visitors to a website, the number of page views, demographics, which include the gender, age, language, etc., which can then be used to design your marketing campaigns. So that's all about the modules of digital marketing. You're going to learn how to go about implementing all these modules in the later part of this course. If everything that we discussed so far in this video is clear to you, then drop me a yes in the comments below. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below as well. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram as yet, then you are definitely missing out on a lot of valuable content. Follow us right away with the help of the link that is given in the description below. In the next video, I am going to walk you through what is domain name, what is hosting, and how to go about setting up a website for yourself or your business. And last but one of the most important things, if you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up, and also feel free to share it with any of your friends if you think it will be helpful for them. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.